Hey there, I just wanted to remind you of the few things that you could be working on over the next few days. One is how you can get a picture of your work on a piece of paper and get it into a class work assignment. So here's our Google Classroom. For example, under classwork, we have been doing a spiral review. So right here under spiral review, you have a document. How can you take a picture and get a copy of that into your spiral review assignment? Okay, so be thinking about that, and I should see one of those turned in with 2 pictures on there. One picture was the assignment for Monday. The second picture will be the work that shows that the problem we did today or on Tuesday, okay? The next thing we're working on is our virtual locker. We went through today and we practiced how we can upload pictures that are transparent, how we make those pictures bigger and smaller, how we can spin them around to make them fit into our locker. Our goal is next Wednesday is to start sharing those virtually, explaining why we picked certain pictures and what that says about us. So just a fun way for us to manipulate technology, similar to different things we'll do mathematically later, and a good way for us to learn a little bit about each other. Okay, the last thing is to start looking for a composition book, because I would love for you to bring that when you come see me on Monday. 5th grade is face-to-face. Those of you coming face-to-face on Monday and Tuesday of next week, and I'd love for us to get our journals set up and start learning those 6th grade skills as soon as we can. Okay, so y'all be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.